Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Jaspas, and welcome back to School of Cardistry. Looking at this round of the contest, you can tell that a small portion of the cardists that joined previous rounds of the contest couldn't keep up with the difficulty of this round. To them I said, it's okay, you tried. But to the guys that actually entered the contest, that actually submitted a video for this round's contest, this round we were looking for a 30-second cardistry video performed, video recorded, edited and uploaded to Instagram with the correct hashtags. A much higher ask than the previous rounds of the contest. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at two of the honorable mentions and the winner of the New Deck Orders Bounty number 7. The first honorable mention goes out to the cardist by the name It's William Durant. William Durant submitted a video that was extremely musicality based. He designed his video so that every single move in that video matched up to a certain part of the song. There's a part of the song where it goes like da-da-da-dun, and he does a flirt and he matches the sound with a performance of the move Aura by Zombie Tian. Looking at this video, it is obvious to me that William Durant planned out the entire video and made sure that he had something for every moment in that video. My only critique is that there are certain parts in the video in which there's like a little bit of dead space which could be filled with some kind of cardistry. Good job, it's William Durant. Good job. Good job. And then, our second and final honorable mention goes out to Jack of all trades 17. Jack of all trades 17 submitted a video that was purely 100% based on the concept of zigzag packets within two-handed cuts. It is very enjoyable to see one single person's exploration into what he can do with a specific type of cardistry moves. The concepts he used and the type of techniques that Jack of all trades 17 used in this video, they're all varied, they're all different, and they all look moderately, if not very good. Good job, Jack of all trades 17. Good job. And this brings us to the winner. That's a W right there. The winner of the New Deck Orders Bounty number 7. That's right. The winner for the New Deck Orders Bounty number 7 is Philip Jirasek. Philip Jirasek put together a video that number 1 looks good, number 2 feels like it's filled with an entire variety of different cool cardistry moves, number 3 has cardistry that is well shot and looks good on video, and number 4, and perhaps most importantly, he used the picture-in-picture effect in a good way. He used it to give us an alternate angle of an existing move that has repeating motions so that it is easy and not distracting to watch both of them move at the same time. Good job, Philip. Good job, Philip. The New Deck Order officials will get in touch with you so that you can get your prize. And now, with the New Deck Orders Bounty number 7 out of the way, we can welcome the New Deck Orders Bounty number 8. For the New Deck Orders Bounty number 8, we are looking for a cardistry move with the inspiration of X. That's right. With immaculate timing, we also put out a tutorial for the easy X cut in case you need some kind of inspiration for what you can try to do with this challenge. Does this mean you absolutely have to do that one easy X cut? No. No, you don't get it. You can do anything related to X in a cut. For example, you can do the classic X cut or maybe an X symbol. You can also do your own variation of the easy X. You can do absolutely any move with a clear relationship to X. So if you want to win the $52 prize, here are some extra rules that you need to follow. Oh yes, and one last little announcement. if you are looking to get your hands on some awesome Jaspas Deck Favorite Day 2 edition playing cards, the global release date has been set. Mark your calendars for the 29th of August. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was the New Deck Orders Bounty number 7 results, as well as the New Deck Orders Bounty number 8 theme announcement, as well as the Jaspas Deck Favorite Day 2's global release announcement. Until next time guys, please keep playing with your playing cards, stay safe, and I'll talk to you in next month's episode of the New Deck Orders Bounty.